Patreon pitch video 2019. So I'm gonna warn you right now, we're gonna go a lot of places on this journey. There's no scripts here, we go from the heart. So let me hit you with the brutal truth. Patreon is a paywall. There, I said it. You give Patreon money, they give me a cut. They give me 90%, it's amazing. But it's a paywall. Clear and simple. Now that that's out of the way, let's talk about some of the benefits, some of the business side of things. We offer tiers, rewards, all that stuff. You guys know how paywalls work. It's 2019 for fucking God's sake. So just take a time if you're new here, familiarize yourself with our tiers. Our rewards, they change often. Sometimes a whim will just hit me and I'll just change one. I'll add something. Brutal honesty time. Art. We create art, we create content in a digital space. You can see all my little cool things in the background. This is a pretty standard layout right here, right? You know, you can see stuff in my office, like a chair, cool things I've collected that are thematic. We know all the stuff that we do. This is the world. This is the internet world. And we're in love with it. Over the years, we have done a lot of things. We poured concrete. We were cooks. We were troubled teens. Did a lot of different jobs, but I was always an artist. Stayed committed to art. Kept working on my craft, you know, and you find out real quick that no one wants to pay for art. So platforms like this are really important. And we are now in love with the idea of educating, entertaining, and getting paid. But part of getting paid is staying committed to excellence. And we do that here. We stay innovative. We try to create things based on what people want. We do our best. We have a vision of what we want. And the vision in 2019 is more intermediate classes, more intermediate videos, maybe even working into some master videos, or at least advanced. I don't know if I can even teach a master video, right? Got to stay humble. Never get high on your own supply. So by signing up here on my platform, you get a studio tutorial every week. It's not exclusive, but you do get early access. It does go over to YouTube and becomes an advertisement to bring people over here. You get Twitch VODs, and if you're new, Twitch is a live platform we use. It's another way we get paid. We do a lot of good work on Twitch Live, and we bring those VODs over here. We download them, re-upload them to Vimeo, which you guys help pay for. Twitch deletes all that, so we have an archive here. We've been expanding the tags, creating more and more. We have a tactics tier now, private classes, swag bags, all sorts of cool things, right? Well, at least I hope you think they're cool. Do my best to come up with things that people want. And thank you guys for always messaging me and letting me know. Speaking of messaging me, it's another big selling point here, is that even though I respond to every question ever asked of me on every platform, here on Patreon, you guys definitely get preferential treatment. I will stop dinner right there and I'll respond to you. It's part of my commitment. I'm a lifestyle entertainer, lifestyle business. I live in my office. I am this business 7 days a week. So even though this is a Patreon pitch video for new people visiting the page, asking questions, it's also a thank you video. Thank you. I literally can't do without you. There's so many artists out there that can pay rent this month because of people like you. And I appreciate you so much, more than I could ever say in a video, right? So hopefully I see you guys at cool ass conventions like Adepticon, LVO, and other things like that. I told you this would be kind of ranty and go different directions because we don't script anything. But I just wanted to say thank you guys. I'm at a new milestone in my life. We just moved. We have a new Beats Lab, as you guys know, or maybe you just learned. We moved to Hollywood a few years ago, and now we've upgraded facilities. We keep staying committed to our shipping operation, our video production operation, new miniatures, new techniques, new products. We do what we can. We're playing video games 4 times a month over on Twitch. We had so much stuff, right? But I'm in love with it. And thank you guys so much. I know I already said thank you, so I'll just end it here.